Hey everybody, welcome back to the Roadhouse. Today we're going to do a quick cook. It's kind of experimenting around with some tri-tip here on the Weber. I found another tri-tip, so I went ahead and scooped it up. It's about 1.75 pounds, and what I did was season it up with some of Uncle Steve's original rub. Good stuff, y'all. Yeah, go check out Uncle Steve at unclesteves.com, Uncle Steve's Shake. .com, and go get you some of this good stuff. Anyway, I'll come down here and check this out, man. Just a little quick cook. We're gonna be going indirect on the Weber, but I'm gonna try something different. So we'll let this rest, let the grill get up to temp, and I'll meet y'all outside. Alright gang, the grill's hot. I got both my charcoal baskets on one side. We're gonna sear this thing on both sides, and we're gonna move it over to this side for a little indirect cooking. So we're just trying something different. So let's get this on here. Oh yeah. Oh, that smells some kind of good, man. Golly. Alright gang, we'll get this seared off. We'll be back. Alright, that's one side. Took about maybe a minute. Alright, there's our twist. I'm gonna let this go for a minute, and we're gonna move it over to the cooler side, so we'll be back. Alright gang, we're seared. Y'all check that out, man. And getting grill marks is just as simple as that. So that's good for that. We're gonna put this on this side. We're gonna put a little smoke over here. I got some chunks of hickory. Let me get that set up and I'll be right back. Alright gang, I got my wood chips. Smells so good I got the neighbor's dogs barking. Right, let's get this wood on here. We're just gonna put as a chunk right there. Nuzzle them in. Alright, that's good for that. And we're gonna throw the lid on here. We're gonna let her rip. Put my vent to the right side, that way if you come over here, it's gonna draw our smoke over here over the meat, that way it can get covered. So anyway, we'll come back, check on it, probably about 30 minutes. Alright, it's been about 40-45 minutes. Oh, that's looking nice, y'all. Ooh, smells good. Let's see what kind of temp we got here. 135. Let's go ahead and pull this thing. Pull it off, get it inside and let it rest for a while. Alright y'all, we got her inside, it's resting. Look at that. Juice right there for y'all. Looking good, looking good. Alright, we'll let it rest a little while. We're gonna come slice it up, so we'll be back. Alright, y'all, welcome back. Man, this thing's been resting for about 45 minutes. Oh yeah, babe, that's what I'm talking about. Get the junk out the way. Hey, not bad. Not bad. Got a little juice there. Yeah, there you go. We seared it. And then we moved it off to the indirect heat. It smells good. I tell you, that hickory smoke smells good on that thing. Let's slice us a piece of this here. Nice. Nothing wrong with that, y'all. Now let's get some off this other side too. I know Gizmo wants some. Boy, that's all right though, y'all. That's nice, man. I'm cool with that. Oh. Dang, y'all. That is good, man. Here you go. Cheers, gang. All that needs is to get in my belly. Alright, so I want to show y'all. Just experiment with food. Boy, that's good. And what you call that? What you call pit master privilege. Damn, that's good. Alright, gang. Uncle Steve's Shake. That's good stuff. Y'all go check out Uncle Steve, man. He's got some excellent rubs out there. Anyway, gotta run. See y'all next time. Bye-bye. I did find another tri-tip. This one's about a pound and 3/4. I got it seasoned up with some of Uncle Steve's. Let me show y'all. Hang on now. Alright. Let me start that again. Crap.